So yeah, I'm standing on the edge, hanging on for dear life while taking this footage. But this is the way you travel around here. A lot of people actually are on the edge. There's like communities here. Maybe some people are waiting to get on the train. That guy is actually, well, was actually holding on to the railings. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. Visso's gonna kill me if they see me do this. But yeah, I can feel the wind blowing on my face. It's different. It's a different kind of traveling that I will never ever do in the Philippines. But I am doing here now. So yeah, welcome to Mumbai travel.